We all know that accidents can happen at any time to anyone, including you. They can lead to pain, injury, or even death. So it's so important to understand why they even happened in the first place so that we can prevent them from happening again in the future. Accidents can be caused by hazardous materials, negligence, or other issues. And even when we feel like we understand the reason behind an accident, the root cause is unknown, and it can only be fully known through proper investigation. And that's where accident investigation comes in. Hi, and welcome to this course on accident investigation training. My name is Jessie, and I will be your trainer for this quick training program. By the end of the course, you will understand the need to investigate accidents, learn the steps to conducting a thorough accident investigation, know what tools to use during an accident investigation, learn how to identify the underlying causes of an accident and differentiate between contributing causes and the primary cause, develop recommendations and solutions to prevent future accidents from occurring. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.